this is the other part that C.J. Mack them read underneath it off the camera. I consent to the use of my name, likeness, voice, and biographical material about me in connection with the promotion of the media products. I express to release the producer from any and all claims arising out of the use of the interview material and or any prior interview. Right? Listen, he pretty much saying, I can't even come back and sue you.
Hell no.
Hey, that prison thing hit different.
It's like he gave him no security number of his identity.
Bro, so when
Prison
C.J. Mack read that underneath, because I just read the part to show you, no, he got the right to do more than just a book or audio. You know what I'm saying? Because see, I'm not gonna disrespect Larry Hoover. He ain't did nothing to me. His wife is him and his son is him. I'm only disrespecting what's coming at me.
But also, this right here, don't you think the wife saw the contract before she took it and let them sign it? Everybody.
Of course she saw the contract.
Y'all forgot about that part.
Saw the contract. But I'm gonna tell you, wait. No, she didn't see the contract back then. No. She saw the contract when I sent it to J.Prince. Well, hopefully J.Prince gave it to him. Right
now, that one I had to disagree with you with, because I just had to know that that man looked at that woman, looked at their husband paperwork before he went in. She went in there.
Okay, that's just like they would. I ain't gonna say that, but listen, my nigga.
What was her initial reaction when she seen the contract? Now, what initial?
I don't know. You gotta ask her.
You never spoken to her before?
I don't know if. Boy, they called me 3 weeks ago. A dude named Magic from A7 Gangster and said, Miss Wendy, people called her. She want to talk to me, and I said I'm not gonna talk to her if she called me. Or you call, I'll have Karen on the phone, because I don't want her to get the tone of my voice or anything misconstrued. You know what I mean? So it's really nothing to talk to me about, because I'm not the one in control of the contract. But I ain't crazy. It's the reason why she don't want to talk to me, Karen.
Somebody's mic is open. We can't hear Wayne.
Oh, that's me, my bad.
Yeah, so, because I don't want to get on the phone with her. I see it looks like she's elderly as well. And, she take the tone of my voice or something. Next thing you know, J.Prince going to be running around talking about, oh, he disrespected Larry.
You intimidating her and shit.
All this. So I said, listen, I have no conversation for her. I will put Miss Karen on the phone if you want to call. Other than that, there's no reason for me to speak with her.
I can't stop thinking about that statement you said, like, when you was like, you think that he's actually trying to keep his ass in there. When I hear that,
sure, because when he gets out, there's no more Larry Hoover card to play. Right now, he can play the card. I'm looking out for the family. I'm doing this. Because of that, you in place to speak for me, this, that. And he plays that card all the time.
And I'm also thinking, like, if I want to keep a nigga locked up, I probably fucked him over somewhere down along the line. Like, I did something fucked up.
That is fucking him over. Because when he go to try to get the appeal, they going to use all this crazy shit going on against him as if he the one called the dog on him.
And they don't like your mans. They don't like your mans. He's not a crowd favorite.
No, hell no.
All the smoke, all the fire that's being presented, like right now, even before the footage is about to come out, it's making it distasteful. Like before anybody wants to actually get their hands on it or actually do something about the footage with all this.
Well, no, it's not. It's not
fucked up.
No, it's not putting the stain on the footage.
No, it makes that stronger.
Stain on anything. Got the footage, so she can see. It probably make people want to even more.
Make it stronger. The footage is stronger than it ever been right now.
Yeah, but look at what Wack's saying. He's saying that everything that this man, because he's saying he represents who on Larry. So everything that this man's attached to right now it's not. So you want all the smoke and shit like that, putting that shit into the air and the atmosphere.
Nobody want to breathe that shit, bro. That don't look good when he go in front of the people.
That's what I'm saying. That's like I said earlier.
Based upon for the last 39 of his 49 years, he's been without incident. No this. Well, I don't know. Right here, we got this, and looks to me like he has this guy out here who's working under him. Trying to do this and do that, and we, imagine if that lady go talking about she feel intimidated. What's gonna happen? It's over.
Gonna fuck everything up.
You seen that motherfucking text message? You read that text message on my Instagram?
Yeah. I read that shit earlier.
Oh man, he's a bozo.
Yeah, that's a good.
And somebody need to sit the nigga down and let him know, hey bro, you doing a little too much, man. Keep Larry's name out your mouth. You gonna represent it under your shit.
Back up out this shit, that kind of hurt the situation though too, because I feel like he could have exposed this situation to a different, like, he could have catapulted this shit to a different level. You know what I mean? As far as like,
bro, we wasn't even in this space. That's the crazy part. I'm like, right. When I told him face to face, Rocky was standing right there. I said, yeah, that 20 ain't gonna work. She ain't going for that. That's out, bro. We ain't doing that. Do the business. I let you holler at her. She gonna tell you yourself, bro. I'm not gonna even bring it up to her. I'm gonna let you tell her. Because if I would have told her, she wouldn't even got on the phone with him. But this where her head at, homie, right here. This shit could have been done.
Yeah, since 98, right?
So he like, well, back, the family want to know why she just, contacting you. I'm like, bro, nigga, I'm not finna ask you that. For what? What difference do it make?
You don't think because everything that just popped off now, you see how valuable she is? He really trying to go and step on the gas and make some shit really work right now because he see how much traction this shit gets.
His problem was, see, dude like a little Napoleon dude, right? He got a small man's complex. So this was with him, his ego work. He wants it to say a J.Prince production, nigga. I'm telling you. A Rap-A-Lot production. He wants control of it. He don't give a fuck if it don't never come out, and he'd rather it don't come out if he don't have the control of it. He'd rather it won't come out.
That's fucked up.
That's fucked up right there for real, man. Hey, Wack,
that's that shit. If I can't play basketball, I'm gonna take my ball and go home type shit.
How I feel about what?
How you feel about what Big U just said on his IG?
I don't follow his IG. What did he say?
Shit, somebody posted up top. He basically said he ain't accepting your apology. He ain't fuck with the fact you did the interview.
Oh, I didn't apologize to him. I never apologized, bro. What you talking about?
I'm telling you what Big U just said.
Yeah, but I never apologized, bro.
He ain't cool with it.
Yeah, I never apologized. I would never fuck with him like that ever again in life.
He only apologized to OG Wacko.
I apologized to Wacko. I didn't apologize to him, bro. So, niggas is crazy, man. They gotta slow down.
Hey, he said
you gotta come see him face to face.
Man, listen. That nigga know where I'm at 24/7. He capping for the crown, my nigga.
Yeah.
That nigga know where I'm at. Everybody around me know to let that nigga in and stay out his way. He know that. If I pulled up to his crib, I should say, wait, they ain't gonna say a fucking word to me. Believe that. He just capping for the ground right there. But I never apologized because, I was violated first. The act he did let me know I could never trust him like that on certain shit. Did you hear what I said in the interview? I said I love his family.
Yeah, I think they asked you about him too, and you said you love him too.
I said I wouldn't let nothing happen to the nigga cutting me. Nah, that ain't where that's at with me. At the end of the day, he tried to snake me. It just didn't work. It wasn't like he tried to line me up. Nigga just tried to go in there and kill some business. But in the streets with that, with success come enemies, bro. Envy and jealousy and all kind of shit. No matter what you do for a motherfucker, man. No matter what you do for a motherfucker, nigga always wants some more. Especially if it ain't the type of motherfucker to take what you doing and make his own more. So we can never see what y'all didn't know. It had already been a year and a half. I hadn't even talked to the nigga. Nigga couldn't even call my phone, bro. Y'all just didn't know it.
I just started seeing him like deal with.
What you say, Stan G?
He knew it. But I never apologized to the nigga. Like, I don't know where that come from.
Hey, Wack, hypothetical, right? Let's say everything turns out good and shit, and he gets this appeal. He goes to court. Would you put money on his defense team?
Who go to court?
If Larry goes for this appeal, like a hypothetical though, would you put up some bread for him?
Larry don't need no money.
Don't need no money, bro.
I'm saying just a spot. It's just to show face.
But he don't need no money, bro. He ain't got that. He don't need no money for defense and all that shit. You got a nigga named Kanye West over there that if it was needed, he'd cover that. I mean, if it just come down to it. But
Kanye is covered.
Look,
come on, he'll do all that, but he don't need no. He don't need no money. Just like this footage won't get him out of jail. They know it.
But Wack, he said possibly. He didn't say it was. He said
man,
possibly.
Get the fuck out of here. Possibly not. It ain't possible. It ain't possible that some footage of a nigga talking about from adolescent to 1998, bro. This ain't no footage of no witnesses retracting the story or no shit. It's gonna have any bearing effect on 6 life sentences, bro. Fuck out of here, bro.
That's 6 elbows right there.
Come on, bro. What are you talking about right now?
That was a part of the package they was presenting, though. They were trying to present his likeness. I wouldn't give a fuck whether it was in the package or not. Part of the package shouldn't be this nigga running around here talking about he want to initiate some street beef up under this nigga's name. Was that part of the package too? Hey, that's both of y'all though, bro. Both of y'all doing the same shit. Because I ain't the one overseeing it. He is. Obligation ain't on my end, it's on his.
See, you know what the difference is, though? Is one person don't represent Larry Hoover. One person do.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, no matter when they see his son with him, though, it do kind of make it look like, you know, it make it look
it taint cool. That shit a little bit.
Shit.
They just like, motherfucker, if I was locked up and nigga got my son with them, it's like I'm riding with the person who with my son.
Right. That's your face, nigga. That's your junior. You heard?
Hey, bro,
can
I tap in with something real quick, bro? With Wack100, bro, it's just real shit, though. I mean, I just want to ask you. Go ahead, come on. So, brother, I was in a room yesterday that you was in, and I sometimes like I hear people, and I listen to them not to like judge them, but to like have an understanding on who they could be. And like I'm hearing you saying like you call somebody a bitch, there's one woman a bitch, you don't have no like remorse behind it.
No remorse, If I call you a bitch, that means you was disrespectful. Once I get disrespectful, once I respond to disrespect, I have no remorse, my nigga. I don't give a fuck. You right.
No, I get you on the mindset that you have right there. Like far as like if somebody's disrespecting you, disrespect back, sometimes you feel like because it's like a rebuke. It's not even a disrespect, it's like a rebuke. You doing some shit wrong. You need
especially
to be
a motherfucker that I asked 5 times to stop disrespecting me. Hey, stop disrespecting. Hey, cut. All right, you don't want to like where this shit gonna go. All right, well, boom, there it go, man. Fuck what you talking about. You one of them niggas that always want to pass judgment on my response, but totally ignore what the next motherfucker did to me to get me to respond. That's all.
No, hey, bro. One thing about me, bro, is I'm 100% in the person who initiate. Every action has a reaction. So the action that causes the reaction definitely needs to be handled. That's what that reaction would even happen. I get that, but what I'm saying, bro, is like, bro, I've been like, I've heard, I literally never knew who you were. No, I'm saying, like, I never knew who you was until I came on this app and like hearing about you, whatever. And the thing is, bro, I was like start listening because I'm like, okay, what is people talking about? Because people, you were obviously famous, bro, for listening to you, and then you got a lot of great things that you say. And like a lot of powerful things that you bring
but like you have this worldly like way of being, you know what I'm saying, that you allow yourself to go after, and that's not the king way, bro. And it's like it's a frustration because
what
like
you mean,
nobody
challenges
challenges shit you say, and then you talk and then you say certain shit that be wrong, and it's like you don't have
what I say wrong
because you feel like, bro, it's
what
a
I
lot of
say
shit
wrong
I mean,
be
specific, nigga. Bring up a lot
hold on, what I say wrong,
bro. So let me like, for example, the way that you was with the woman, the way you was like, it's like, bro, it's a lot of women on this app who has disrespected. You know what I'm saying? And the thing is,
bro, what did I say wrong?
In general,
hey, bro,
like,
don't use no female calling me out my name, bro, as me saying something back wrong.
That's not okay. Like Will Smith smacked the shit out of Chris Rock. Is that the only way he could have handled it?
The fuck that got to do with me?
What are you talking about, dude?
He's saying what is going on right now, my nigga?
That was 2 months ago. And you don't like, bro.
What did I say wrong?
He's going on brainwash up too. Like I'm saying,
this is why I get so frustrated with you niggas. It's because when you do shit like you doing right now, bro, you make it harder for the niggas that actually got a legitimate question or a legitimate concern with Wack. You coming with some thug shit.
I don't even know what you're talking about, bro.
We don't know what you're talking about.
And the thing is, bro, I don't just take it long to get this. Man, like I said, bro, all I said was
you, what did I say wrong?
Right.
I'm asking you, what did I say wrong? You acting like hocus pocus now, nigga.
Hey, y'all stop booing motherfuckers, man. Don't be booing motherfuckers, man. Let motherfuckers land, man.
Yeah, so I'm gonna just say this though, bro. What you did wrong was you addressed the woman as a bitch.
No. We off that. No. We off that.
Let me explain exactly.
We off that. We off the woman, bro.
Let me explain.
No. You said shit I say wrong. That's yes,
bro.
So that means I had to say some things wrong prior, right?
Listen, you're not listening, bro. That's a
get off the woman. She disrespected me. I disrespected her. I'm not wrong.
I got what you saying. And you
what did I say wrong?
In your head, bro. Listen to what I'm saying. In your head,
trying to save a female that you don't even know what she did, bro.
Bro, first off, I don't even know what the fuck.
You know the crazy part about it? The woman came to my room last night and apologized to me.
Bro, listen to what I'm saying.
You do know that same lady came to my room and apologized to me, right?
Bro, because you did that already.
You do know she came to my room and apologized to me, right?
One mind real quick, man. Y'all stop booing motherfuckers.
You do know that she came to my room and apologized to me, right? This is what I'm talking
about right here, bro, because I'm nobody, so of course, like, I don't have no voice and shit to say.
Wait, let me talk to her. Hey, wait. Hey, look. You do know she came to my room last night and apologized to me, right?
Yeah, bro, I know how, bro, first off, bro, I know the mindset of a pimp. I know how to do, I know how to
Bro, you crazy, man. So listen, fam, listen to me real quick, bro. Listen, bro. For me, listen, I'm gonna say this, right? I done had, listen, my nigga, you done did enough talking, my nigga, listen.
My nigga, you did enough.
You done did enough talking, bro, just listen to me. Now, let me explain something to you, bro. Listen, this is the thing. Me personally, I done had women talk to me all kind of crazy on this app, right? And I've never reacted in calling them a bitch, right? That's just me personally. I do understand what other niggas do it though, right? So, but my thing is, no, I don't give a fuck what another nigga do. It don't affect me that much where I care so much about it to where I come address a nigga on the stage in front of a whole lot of people. Right, so hold on, my nigga, let me finish talking. I consider that more bitch shit. Respectfully, my nigga, this my stage, my nigga. Respectfully, I ain't gotta let you say a motherfucking thing, bro. This my stage, bro. So, nigga, the fact that you talking, I'm allowing you to do that. So, secondly, bro, I think that's whole shit for you to let another nigga actions affect you so much that you get this emotional over it.
Man, what you trying to make a nigga look bad out of motherfucking out the woodwork?
Come on over here and sit on this little seat I got on the side.
This is your bar.
They gotta protect I'm gonna sit on this little seat right here.
I got something to say about the sun real quick. I'm not gonna be long. But my conclusion.
See, thing about it, man, let men talk, man. When men talking, man, let them niggas have it out.
They don't know how to do that, Stan. They don't know how to do that.
Oh, Mick. Hey, Big Mick, I just got something to say about the sun real quick, because that's all cat with J.Prince. For one, you got this document that's called the power of attorney. His son never presented that. Two, Larry Hoover never made any public statement saying that his son backs him. Three, whenever you see the son and J.Prince together, who is doing the most talking? J.Prince. That's why that son is paid. Prince paid that boy to sit next to him and just keep his mouth shut so he can make his little situation look good. Don't take that as face value.
It's all speculation.
Just like what Charlie done. One mind real quick. One mind real quick. Just like when them folks try to go hard on Pitbull, and Pitbull went big hard on the motherfucker. Nigga was mad at Pitbull. Man, look, y'all can't disrespect a mind. Then think a nigga ain't gonna say nothing back. Y'all crazy as a motherfucker.
Oh man, Pitbull.
And especially coming from a female who been known to be disrespectful with that mouth.
What y'all talking about?
We got some women on here that we know that they don't, Bridget.
Who y'all talking about?
Right? But if you got some other women like Nurse Nikki, Nurse Nikki fuck around say something to you. She'll tell you fuck your dead homies. Suck my dick, nigga. Like, she talk like that. So, hey, everybody a little different, man. You go to talking too wild, don't be mad when they go talking wild back to you.
Just to address the other nigga just now with the you never heard nothing from Hoover. What statement you ever heard from Hoover?
Nigga, I done heard Hoover on CDs, nigga.
Nah, you heard him on that man CDs. I'm talking about the son being having the power of attorney and all that. When you ever heard of
that's a document. If he can't produce it, he ain't got it.
But that's what I'm saying. Jamar, answer the question though. Jamar, he talking to you.
Wait, he can't answer that. But yeah, what? So you upset now because the man didn't one up you and start doing a press run. The shit you've been doing on Clubhouse the whole time.
Who did a press run?
That's what he's doing right now. This is about his third fucking podcast.
What who doing?
Stop playing crazy, man.
Who you talking about?
The nigga who named you brought up and not saying the man trying to keep a nigga in jail and all this shit because he didn't respond to you.
I don't give a fuck. I've been wearing that nigga out, bro. I've been hurting him. He ain't hurt me.
Because you running around telling people you trying to keep the man in jail.
Hey, bro, listen. Listen, bro. Hey, let me tell you what strategy is. I let him run around, and I let him run out of gas with every week he go do. I seen what he did, and I'm playing the counter game. What's the problem?
But you know that ain't true, man. You know that man ain't trying to do that.
I'm not. Well, why is this nigga saying I'm mad? I'm not mad.
Because you telling people the man trying to keep the man in jail.
That's not being mad, bro. What do you say I'm mad, bro?
You're trying to turn them against
him. Are you saying he's mad? That's why he's running around?
No,
both of them playing the same game.
Man, that's that nigga opinion, man. That nigga entitled to his opinion.
Fuck you mean I'm mad, nigga? So that mean he mad too, right?
All right, I'm sorry. I used the wrong word. That's better way. I don't get y'all niggas, man. It's right. Let the nigga talk one-on-one, man.
So he can say something, but I can't.
That's the stance you taking, what? That's the stance
I'm not mad. So you say if I'm mad, that mean he mad too, right?
You trying to turn the people against the man, not talking about the man.
Oh, wait. Who trying to do that? Me and Larry, me and J.Prince. Keep it real.
Both of y'all. They playing the same.
No. Who trying to do that?
I'm going to go back to hot.
Keep it real. I sat back and he said shit. I've been watching him run around. I'm not mute you, but so are you saying J.Prince wasn't trying to turn the people against me?
I'm saying that man responded to what you said. I'm saying
you
got on here. I'm just getting started. Said shit at Wack, bro. Wack ain't
so you basically said what I thought just then, but okay, yeah, I feel you. You basically thought what I thought you were trying to do.
Hey, listen, bro. I can go to radio.
What's wrong with responding?
I can go to radio. I can go to Howard Stern. I can go anywhere I want to go do shit I want to do. I'm not one of these niggas. He can't close none of my doors. Think about it. I was just in front of two niggas that fuck with him first. It didn't stop the interview, did it?
But people got open minds, though, Wack. People just that's a platform, they got open minds.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. They gonna stop the interview.
They gonna invite you up. But look, so you trying to tell me this shit ain't start with you on Clubhouse? And the man responded?
No, it ain't started with me. It started with me when he did the little clip accusing us of forging a document and stealing footage.
That's after you done already said shit about the man.
All I said was, we doing a Larry Hoover project, bro. He got mad at that.
Stop, man. This the same nigga who was on here talking to you about that, Wack. Only thing I say Wack said, he said I slapped the shit out of his ass. It was funny as hell.
Okay, there you go.
I know a nigga got leg.
What's wrong with that?
There you go.
Now this is what's real. This is the problem. This is the problem right here. The problem is this here. Ain't nobody never heard nobody go at J.Prince. That's what's shocking to everybody. Everybody just shocked at Wack.
That's not the problem. Wack is lying. You can tell Wack.
That's what the whole, as a whole, everybody's surprised that Wack went at him and said what he said to him.
He ain't really went at him, bro. This shit is on the internet. This ain't no threat.
Hold on. It ain't no threat. He talking about knock ass out. Now, the fuck I'm talking about is a nigga ain't never challenged J.Prince, nigga.
This ain't no challenge. This is Clubhouse, bro.
Challenge him. You know what challenge him?
Hold on. Calm down.
This nigga slick slow. Bro, I don't think it is. Hold on. Name somebody who told J.Prince, fuck you, nigga, you gotta see me. Besides Wack.
Vic, you want his face. Ain't nobody heard that shit before, bro.
Ain't nobody that stupid.
Yeah, because that's really...
Y'all shook ass little niggas.
That's police shit. That's police shit. Niggas ain't hollering at, I want some smoke over the goddamn internet. Like, niggas gonna do something.
So is it police shit? Is it police shit when J.Prince just did it?
On both sides, nigga.
I got a question. So J.Prince just said, I want all the smoke. Was it police shit?
On both sides. Whenever a nigga issue a public threat, nigga, that's some police shit. On both sides.
Hey, G, that's a fact.
That wasn't a response to Wack saying with everything he said, or did he just came out and said that on the clue?
Either way, bro, if a nigga issue a public
when it's a response.
police shit.
Oh, it was a response?
Are you saying it's okay when it's a response?
I'm telling you, don't think I'm gonna put the glove. That's what Wack was bidding on there. Wack was hoping that man ain't see that. Wack fucked up that man running around right now.
I'm saying, so y'all can apply all that to J.Prince response, but you don't apply that to Wack.
Wait, you
response.
said Wack is fucked up. What would you say?
No, you said you just used two responses.
No, I'm saying, so you saying it's okay when if J.Prince responds like that because it's a response, but when Wack responds, it's like, oh, no. You know what I'm saying? You see how you apply shit to one part and don't apply it to the other? I can respect T, right? Because T said it's police shit on both sides, right? When both people do it, I can respect that.
I said police shit just not out my mouth, big man. What you talking
No, but you trying to make it like, oh, it's less impactful because J.Prince was responding.
No, I didn't say it's less impactful. I'm telling you, homie just told y'all. For every action, there's a reaction. Wack just said that lady disrespected me, so I cursed her out. Ain't that what Wack just said?
Right.
And J.Prince disrespected Wack first, nigga. Fuck is you talking?
That's what exactly. Y'all don't get where it started at.
Jay did not disrespect Wack first.
I still ain't called him a snitch.
Y'all serious?
Bro, when the nigga, bro, go back and look at it, bro. I'm tired of answering the same questions over and over again. Just go back and see where it started at.
Yeah, hallelujah.
Matter of fact, just go watch the interview.
J.Prince posted it on his page, bro.
Yeah,
on Instagram. That first Instagram post.
He started reporting.
One mind, let the mind talk, man. We can't out here what's
I don't
going
know.
on.
Big Memphis must be tripping or something. Cause watch this. That man Instagram post came after me and my partner was talking to Wack about the same shit we found on Clubhouse.
we were just talking. What do you mean? We was talking about the. He got
about
mad,
none of this
bro.
until Wack
He got mad that I was even talking about the footage.
Stop
Hey, look.
on y'all stage, Big Memphis. You forgot?
He did. This is
knew nothing about this shit.
We talking about the before that, bro.
No, it's only one post. What you talking about? We talking about.
No, it ain't. It's definitely more than one post. It's definitely more than one post.
All right. Well, I'm sorry. I'm talking about the post
on J.Prince.
responding to Wack 100 30 fucking Clubhouse joints. Me and my partner was on here doing the same thing with Wack 100 right fucking now. The day before.
After that, but he also made a post before that too, bro.
No, he didn't.
Why would he make a post before that? Because nobody knew about it. Nobody knew about it.
J.Prince got mad that I even mentioned.
Exactly,
We was doing a
you
project
mentioned
with the footage, bro.
Yeah, Larry, young nigga. A little young nigga got on here and was telling Wack him and J.Prince should get together and do some shit like a podcast or something. And it started from there. And Wack was like, nah, that nigga don't really fuck with me because of this. And that's how it started. Yep, exactly. That's how it started.
That ain't nothing disrespectful.
No. But then after that, you can't, nigga ask you something again. You start talking about, I'll punch him in his face.
Nah, that came after the nigga put the shit up.
That's cap, bro.
That came after he put the little video clip.
And he posted that.
Don't find. I'm gonna prove it to you. They gonna prove it to you.
He called niggas cake ass niggas and all kinds of shit.
That's why he said that, Wack, because of all that. He was responding to what people were saying to him on Clubhouse. He was saying,
all I said was, think about what he said. He right about this. I don't fuck with him. I told the dude, nah, that ain't gonna work. He don't fuck with me because of this Larry Hoover project I'm in the middle of. That's all I said.
You told everybody, nigga.
Initially, Wack didn't really say nothing like this.
What's wrong with me saying it, nigga? I can't say my business.
It ain't never wrong with saying that, Wack, but after the fact, you came back with some more saying you gonna beat him up and do all this and that.
No, that came after he got disrespectful.
No, it didn't, Wack.
Definitely did. Watch this. Because if I'd have been on that, I'd have said it out the gate, bro.
In the first post, when the man made the recording, bro, the first post, the man addressed Wack about Clubhouse, period. The man said, y'all gonna jump out the window. The clowns who running with him gonna jump out the window. You can't run with no nigga who tongue kissing rats. All that's after Wack said.
No, that was before.
So hey, slow down, right? So you weird ass niggas, I got a nigga calling me a homosexual and a snitch.
Said all you said, man.
Hold on, bro. So this what I'm saying. Y'all soft ass niggas, stop getting emotional about the disrespect I say about this little weird ass, oompa loompa looking ass nigga, man. I'm gonna say what I want to say like he said what he want to say.
We not getting
Shut
emotional.
the fuck up.
We just said where it started from. We not getting emotional. We just trying
like nigga, like I shouldn't. Man, listen, bro. I don't know what dude do out there. He don't call no dogs out here, bro. He ain't from no set out here, bro. I don't give a fuck. That nigga ain't walk no penitentiary like he ain't got no roots out here to where niggas say whatever he done did out there, that's cool, bro. But I'ma tell you, if it niggas more gangster than me and more gangster than him, knock down. We knock shit down out here, bro. We ain't worrying about it.
So you say that because he ain't went to jail, he ain't never been investigated and
that bitch ass nigga run the face. Stop get. Why you don't want to get down there?
See, there you go, right there. That's why
you said
right
he want to get out.
Big you know he can get that anytime he want to get that.
You do not say that.
He can get that anytime he want to get that. He know that. He know where to come get it at 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning, 5 o'clock. It don't matter. He know that.
Homie, but watch this. However the shit started, nigga know how that shit started.
Because I'm going to be real.
All right.
That man ain't got it in his heart. He ain't got it in him to hurt me any motherfucking way.
It ain't no hurt.
And these niggas a friendly making up there. The Big U ain't saying
you missing the point, you little bitch ass nigga. You probably don't even know Big U. You don't know him. Keep his name out your mouth, bro. You a fan, bro. If you don't know him, keep your name. You a fan. I'ma be real. It's because of niggas like you get shit started. And niggas like you.
And that's how I hope
a nigga like you, I hope you look up and your auntie and your mama driving in the middle of the day with them high beams on. Since you like to get shit lit, I hope it come back and bite one of yours in the ass, my nigga.
God damn. And that's how it was with y'all on y'all end. All them boys in Wack100 room start dissing Jay for no reason. They don't even know him, bro. Talking about him like that. It's between y'all two.
Just because they 100, they could get away with it.
Yeah, they 100 fans, bro.
Well, what you gonna do about it? I mean, what the hell?
They on the team, bro. They gotta expect that type of shit. That's gonna happen anyway. We speaking on answer. We ain't trying to beef or nothing like. We just speaking on.
Nigga gotta be ready to go to the penitentiary.
Ain't nobody beefing. Deal with it themselves, bro. We just said let them deal with it themselves.
Hey, one mind real quick. Wack already said, my nigga gotta be ready to go to the penitentiary or die behind this shit. So if the nigga ain't ready to do that, then shut the fuck up. Leave me alone, bro.